we're going to remove the lid and see what's inside. Paperwork and the product itself. And this will be the charging cable. And this is what it looks like. Close up on the keyboard. Here's the new Trent Airbender. What I'm seeing, I like it. It looks nice. Feels sturdy. The keys, very good. I like the keys. Side. And on the side here, there's the charging port. It's the back side here. Camera slot, power, headphone space. Okay, and as you can see, clips on there. So that can be used as a standalone stand, although that just flops around, so it's not good for that. But when connected, you'll see. With this connected, as you can see here, when this is scooted, when this is pulled out, it gives you a better viewing angle of the screen itself. With this pushed all the way in, the iPad is mainly upright. So, we're going to get it connected and see how it works. Okay, so, there's the iPad in the case, the holder part. I've got to say, the holder part itself, when the iPad's not in it, seems flimsy and floppy. There's the tail with the thing off. There's that. See it make it work. You squeeze these together and it releases that. And this here slides, and that completely comes out. Okay, so in the end, what do I think about the new Trent Airbender case? I think it's a great case. I've had it on for the better part of the day today. Battery is still holding strong. I'm still running stress tests on it to check battery life and such. But overall, this is a pretty good case. I do like it. The keys are just absolutely wonderful. The way it folds down is great. And I do like the fact that if you want to tote it around as a tablet, it's detachable. It's fully detachable. So you can just do any which way. Hang on just a second and I'll show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this can be folded down like you would a convertible tablet or, well, a convertible laptop. The keys are folded underneath down here. You have a viewing angle, as you can see. Not a very strong viewing angle, but a viewing angle none the least. Then, I'll show you the next part. On the back, well, you can see that. On the back, right there, you can see the clip that holds the iPad onto the Airbender case. And I'll show you this in just a second. As you can see, let me hold this up to the light. That little button right there with the arrow on it, you slide that down and this whole bracket comes out like this. So the keyboard completely comes off. And then this simply clicks off. So, you have the iPad in a familiar looking case. You have the stand part here, and the keyboard. Now this is what I was talking about. I wrote about this in my review, that if you do have the iPad 1, the first gen iPad, this keyboard is excellent. You can still use this keyboard as long as it'll connect with Bluetooth on the iPad first gen. You can use this keyboard with it. I think this keyboard is one of the better ones out. So overall, my review for my final thoughts, this is well worth the money that you're going to spend. Normally it runs about $70. I found it on Amazon for $49 plus shipping. It was like $53. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. I highly recommend you go out and get one.